Here are 5 business ideas you can start with no capital. So if having a capital has been an issue for you not to start that business, watch to the end of this video. Hi ladies, welcome to Girly Finance, where we talk about self-development, financial literacy and money. There are different businesses out there, different businesses people are doing, people are taking hold of. No matter how little, no matter how significant you think that business or something is, people are identifying the need that people want to satisfy. People are identifying the need for them to do it, and they are packaging that business and selling it out to people, and they're making money, they're making profit, even when they don't even start up with any capital at all. To some persons, they might feel everywhere is saturated, all businesses are saturated, they don't know where to start from. But definitely, the same way everywhere is saturated, there's always a space for you to come in. There's always a space for you to come in, package yourself, package your business, and you will attract customers to yourself, even if you don't start with any capital. The first business I'm going to talk about is fruit hamper. Yeah, I don't know whether we know what hamper is, but I'm going to leave an image of what a hamper looks like on the screen. Most times, people are even lazy to go outside to buy fruit. People are lazy that most times they forget to buy fruit even when they want to. Now, this is when you come in. We all know that fruits are essential. It's a basic nutrient that everybody should be taking, everybody should have. But we find out that most persons, it just keeps their mind to buy fruit because they feel, because fruit is small, they feel it is insignificant, and it just keeps their head to buy fruit even when they have the money to buy, but they think about bigger things happening in their life and forget about fruit. Now, this is where you come in. You try to organize this fruit hamper. You try to organize this in a way that in your basket, in your hamper, there are different fruit that someone can lay their hands on. Oranges, banana, cucumber, pineapple, avocado, name any fruit that you want. Now, even if you don't have the money to buy all these things for your first customer, now you know that you yourself, you need fruit, right? And you eat fruit on a regular basis. You can just use your own personal money, not a capital, buy the fruits that you want, that you love, arrange it in a mini basket, cover it, like package it well that it looks so attracting in the eyes of people. Though you're going to eat all these fruits, right? But just package it well, snap that hamper picture, take pictures of it, make videos of it. So even after eating your fruit, you're going to send this out to the public, send out the pictures, tell person that this is what you're selling. If they want fruit, you can package it for them. If you can even be supplying it to their household, that even if that they won't have to be worrying about going out to buy fruit, or when they're coming back from work, going to the market to buy fruit, they should make you their trusted supplier for you to supply any kind of fruit they want. And even if they don't want it to be according to the taste of the one you did for yourself, you can give them options. But the thing that matters is that you've organized a basket, you've given them a site, you've given them an image for them to be portraying on why they have to patronize you, because you can bring together all kinds of fruits for them. And besides, people are going to patronize you, sis. People are going to rush you. Like, do you know what it means going to the market and sorting out different kinds of fruit and bringing it home for you to enjoy? Workers are going to patronize you. Sit at home moms are going to patronize you. Just start this business. Try this out and see. And know whether people are going to patronize you or not. And after that, make sure you come under this video and comment you did this fruit hamper business and it really works for you. The next business we're going to be talking about is Akara business. Yes, Akara is something that everybody eats, everybody enjoys. It's one of a morning breakfast that is recommended in Africa, that almost everybody in Africa know about it. Instead of you buying that Akara you eat outside, try to buy beans, grind the beans and make the Akara in your house and eat it. Yes, and from eating it, you can make 5 balls, 6 balls, 10 balls for yourself. Package it in a way, or yes, package it in a way. I'm going to give an image of how you can package this. Package it in a way that it seems appetizing to the eyes of people. And if you want to sell, this is when you want to sell it online, right? It seems appetizing in the eyes of people, and put it out there in the internet. Like, make use of this internet. The internet is all over the place, so try to make use it to your own advantage. Even if you are to tell your neighbors, I saw Akara, or if you're going to work and you really don't know what to eat, they should tell you on time so you could prepare the akara for them. And before you know it, they're telling their colleagues, they're telling you anybody they come across, and if your akara is sweet, then forget about it. If your akara is so delicious, your customers are going to be returning. Now, even if you don't have an online store or whatever, you can stay at your junction. If maybe your house is somewhere has a junction around, you can just remove shame from your head, remove shame from your eyes. You can just go to that junction and be selling akara. Yes, shame no dey catch who wan make money. So if you really want to make money and you don't be doing it online, go to the junction where, or mostly where there are always traffic. Always stay there and sell. People will always are always passing by and they'll be seeing what you're selling. Before you know it, people will know that particular place you stay is where they sell akara, where they can buy sweet akara. And you'll see returning customers that always pass through that road. They always come back to buy your akara. So akara business is something that you can start even if you have no capital to start a business. Akara business is something that you're consuming it, right, but at the same time you're starting a business. Another thing is jewelry selling. Yes, this might be a kind of drop shipping or pre-order stuff, right? But the only difference is that you're not buying it in large quantity with your money. You're just trying to create an online presence where you can be putting these pictures out to tell person that this is what you're selling, to tell let it register in people's head that you are selling this. So anytime they want to buy jewelry, anytime they want to buy earring for their mom, for any special occasion, they should always think about you. You're not starting this with any money. So when what you will do is when they now order for this jewelry, right, just make sure that you have a trusted supplier, somebody that you can lean back to when you want and when you have an order. Go to your supplier, tell your supplier what the person wants. Then depending on your arrangement with your supplier or your whatever you and your supplier come with, if he's not going to give you product based on MOQ, which is minimum of quantity, if he can be giving you one on one and still be giving you a discount, you're going to be adding your small profit to that jewelry and you send it to your customer. You didn't start it to any business, but at the end of the day, you find yourself having profit to your bank account. So why would you start a jewelry business as a sis? Why would you want to start a jewelry business as a lady? So even if you don't want to start a jewelry business, men's shoe is also something that you can start off with. Selling men's shoes, luxury shoes, half shoes, corporate shoes, slides, like one thing I love about men is that they wear or they have quality clothings. Their clothing, their shoes are always of high quality. And there are men that literally worship shoes. There are men that love shoes so much. So if you can get your hands on trusted suppliers, people that deliver top notch, why don't you become the middleman? Why don't you become the middle person between the supplier and the end user? Just create an online presence for yourself. Let persons know this is what you're doing. Let persons know this is what you're selling. And by the time someone wants to order, just advertise yourself so well. Even if it's to take pictures from the your supplier and show this person and be posting it, someone in your contact, someone among your contact is going to want to buy. And from there you've made one customer, from one customer, two customers, and you just see that at the end of the day you didn't start with any capital, but then you've got profit to yourself, and from that profit the profit grows. Before you know it, you've made a lot of cash, you've made a lot of capital, maybe for you to now, if you want to open a store or something, for you to buy these shoes in wholesale and be the boss of your own. The last thing I'm going to talk about is being a content creator. Yes. In this generation or nowadays, everybody wants to become a content creator. Everybody wants to, put something, everybody wants to have an online presence, put something out there. But it's not only just about being a content creator. Are you able to monetize that? Will you be able to monetize that? So now this is where you come in. You have no capital at all, you have no money at all, but you need to make researches on this. Being a content creator, you have to deliver something valuable or knowledgeable, educational for people out there to consume. You can't just come online and be doing rubbish and want me to consume it. No. So you have to try to think of a niche you're going to come into that might be entertaining, educational, inspiring, that people will want to watch. Pick that particular niche and start making content on them, start making videos on them. Even if you want to be talking about them, if it's something that you want to be teaching us every day, we're learning something new out of what you're saying, then do it. At first it might not seem easy, but just have data and money, right? Of course it might not seem easy, but gradually people are knowing you in that niche, people are knowing you in that environment, and somehow your videos blow up, your videos go viral, and that is that. You didn't start with any capital for content creation, but your videos are reaching out to persons. And one thing about content creation is brands can reach out to you. So far as you're making something, you're giving something, you're dishing out something valuable, and you're trying to build a community for yourself, brands will notice that and want to use you to advertise their product to the community that you've already built. Out of these five things, you can think about any one and decide on any one that might be easier for you to do or for you to lay your hands on. And trust me, try it. You're definitely going to see more money in your account. You're definitely going to receive more money to your bank account. And don't you want it to? So let us know if you will start this business or if you already started this business in the comments. And I would love to engage with you. Click the red subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a video, and like this video.